please, please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What's happening, family? Tony the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope everybody's doing great. Staying safe out there and just living your life. Today I'm gonna actually do a review on my car because I hadn't done it. So just kind of give you the pros and cons about this car, what I like, what I don't like, which is not a lot that I don't like about it. So it'll be a lot of pros to this car compared to my V6 that I had before this. So let's get it. So first thing first, as you know, it is a 392 Scat Pack, and pretty much I've been working on it, customizing it a little bit, just giving it, showing it off, and adding to it, and just making it the way that I want it to look. So just know she is clean. She is squeaky clean, straight from the wash. If you're not following me, follow me on my Instagram, Tony the Quiet Storm. Also on my YouTube as well, follow me. Shout out to my brother Fonzo at Vizual Efx. What's up, brother? He actually hooked me up with the fin wrap, the yellow on the calipers, tinted my tail lights for me too. So he also did my window tint as well. So like I said, shout out to that brother. Hit him up if you need anything as far as tint. He did a little bit of wrap and whatnot. And yeah, anything else you can ask him about and see if he does it. But as far as the way the car looks, even before I added my extra stuff, I loved it. Definitely loved it before I even started adding the stuff to it. But so pros from my V6 is to a V8 now, so got a little bit more power to it. Got a, you know, some more giddy up. Let's take a look inside, you know. So been adding a few things in here as well. So got the yellow on my shifter, and also right here on my steering wheel. Trying to figure out what else to do in here. Oh, I also got on my seat belts, I got the Scat Pack on the seat belts as well, the cover. So got that on both sides. I love this B right here in the seats. But let me crank it up for y'all, you know. Show y'all the different modes that I got up in here. So yeah. Got that also the different modes. You know, pretty much we got auto, which is pretty much eco mode. We got custom, which is more so like street mode right here. We have sport mode right here. I hadn't really, I'm still testing it out, still working with it. So stay tuned. Got track mode right here as well. So it's a lot of these. I'm still playing with the car or whatever. So yeah, coming soon. Try out each of these modes for you. But I've been mostly driving in eco mode. You know, for one, save gas a little bit. I wouldn't mind taking this thing on the track to see what it'll do. Hopefully that'll be one day soon. Let's see. Let me show you. See if you know got my top speed in here. If I can find it. I haven't really done the performance stuff either, so yeah, I had to show y'all later on what my top speed was so far. I'm still playing with all these buttons, gadgets, but yeah, actually here we go. So yep, I done hit 135, which is top speed. Not saying I'm trying to break that record, but yeah, that's what I've done so far in this thing. But you know, I love this car, and I especially love this sunroof right here because I didn't have one in my V6, so I definitely love the sunroof. You know, see the partly cloudy skies up in here, but I definitely love the sunroof. As y'all, you know, hear what it sounds like a little bit. You know. Oh yeah, I love that sound. So that's a pro. I'm not gonna do too much with the exhaust. This is still stock exhaust. I add some tips to it. Stay tuned to that. I got my red fuse on as well with the flipped yellow on there. Let's take a look at this engine, man. So, yeah, I got a lot of ideas that I'm gonna do. This engine's a little dirty. This pollen, I tell you, I need to clean this thing off. But yeah, pretty much, you know. still a SRT. You know, people say it's not a SRT, but if it wasn't an SRT, it wouldn't have this up here, right? So hey, call it what you want it, but I'm calling it a SRT. But, got a couple things that I want to do. I'm not gonna do too much with the engine stuff, because I don't want to go up my warranty for one, and but I got some customizations that I'm thinking about doing. I might even get a cold air intake installed in here, which should be good. That won't go up my warranty, so we'll pretty much see what happens. You know, and whenever that comes, so stay tuned. But yeah, I'm looking to add to it. You know, let it breathe a little bit more, a little bit better. Overall, I mean, I love this car, man. Definitely love it. I like what I'm doing to it, you know, with the yellow and everything. Miss Saddie looking good over here. I added this too. Right here, this Scat Pack yellow, I added that too as well. So, 20-inch wheels. So I got the calipers painted yellow. So I added this yellow sun cap here as well. Added the yellow to the 392 right there. So pretty much it's black and yellow, but I'm not no Steelers fan. So don't get it twisted. I mean, y'all might hate me, but I grew up a Dallas Cowboys fan. I'm still a Dallas Cowboys fan. And when the Panthers came, I adopted them as well. So shout out to the Panthers and the Cowboys. All y'all, I know I'm gonna have a lot of haters on here because of that, but whatever. It don't even matter. Regardless, Dallas Cowboys, Carolina Panthers fan. So I'm pretty sure I got some dead skins out there, which is the #1 team that we hate. All Cowboys fans don't like Redskins. Well, they're not even the Redskins now, so they don't even have a name yet. But yeah, he making all that noise ain't going nowhere in this motorcycle. but yeah. So what y'all think so far? What's y'all pros about this car? What y'all do? What y'all like? What you don't like? What I've done to it so far? Um, what I can do better, as far as to make it better, make it look a little better. Just let me know in the comments. But like I said, the only con that I have with this car is I wish Dodge would pretty much go ahead and install the LEDs in the headlights. I wish they would go ahead and do that, because they already had it in they got it in the fog lights, but they didn't do the headlights, which is kind of crazy. But I had that done. I had the LEDs put in my headlights, and also had them, you know, put up here where the mirrors at. Got it right here, all around, and in the back also. So see that? So yeah, shout out to JC for hooking me up with that. Appreciate you, brother. I got my door lights coming soon for the front, my projectors. So stay tuned for that. That's coming soon. Oh wow, this must be the spot. You know, they out here racing their cars and whatnot, which is a good spot because ain't nothing out here. So I don't know if y'all can see them over there. Yeah, they over there racing cars and whatnot. I used to love doing that. Wouldn't mind getting back into it and actually, you know, building one and using, instead of the regular battery powered, get the gas powered one. Used to go and watch them race all the time, but now it ain't no place to go. So, but yeah, there goes one of them right there. But anyway, man, I know I'm probably boring y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate you watching. Remember, if you're first time on this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like the videos. Share it with your family and friends. Leave some comments, man. I want to hear from y'all. Leave some comments. Say, hey, what's up? Something. Doing good. You're doing bad. Hey, I'm open to your opinions. I'm not saying that I got to do it, but I'm open to listening to your opinion and, what you think about, what I'm doing with Miss Saddie and whatnot. So, alright, with that being said, as I end all my videos, God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible as long as you continue to trust in Him, have faith in Him, believe in Him, believe in yourself, trust yourself, have faith in yourself, and everything will be alright. So, until the next time, I'll holler at y'all later.